Say you always know, baby, but you never answer. 'Cause I was here with the others.
So it's noon time, it's 12 o'clock, and we still have not seen the sun. Different scenery every time you take a turn. The waterfalls, streams.
Very beautiful.
Yes. So these mountains were carved by glaciers from thousands of years ago.
That's right.
According to our in-house geologist, Dan Fisher, who's also our designated driver.
Right. And right now, I'm concentrating on this racetrack.
Oh no, this is not a racetrack. Scratch that.
I'm going the speed limit, but if you even take your eyes off the road for a second,
Yeah,
you're dead.
just slow down.
Oh, I'm on the speed limit. I'm going less than the speed limit.
Well, the speed limit is 70. You're going 80.
No, it's 90, isn't it?
No, it's 70.
Okay. Maybe that's why.
Yeah, it's winding.
Like, look at this. Imagine if you weren't paying attention and you went straight right here. Woo! Yeehaw! Or if you're looking at the scenery.
Gonna roll into the ocean. It's 47 minutes. 52 kilometers.
Nice ride, though.
Yeah. I'm glad we took this route.
Yeah.
Because Google was asking us to use 550, which is an F road. Oh, it's the first cars we've seen in a long time. Over the side of the road there because Dan was really sleepy. We've been out for 24 hours and we weren't really able to sleep on the plane, but this is really a good spot we picked out because we have this view of the horses, Icelandic horses. Look at them, a lot of them. Wow. We're on our way to Tingvillier National Park and we're trying to get gas station in a town where there's nobody in here. It's already 11:30 a.m.
Probably rejected it.
Yeah, I'll try my card. Dan tried using his debit card. Let's see. A PIN number if you use your credit card. Well, we don't have a PIN. We didn't get any PIN. But usually in gasoline stations that are open, you just need to go in and let them know what pump you're using and start pumping. They'll open the pump for you, start pumping, and then you go back in and pay. Alright. Did it work? protected it. Oh, we're able
They always go, we
to
do it to protect you. You're not protecting me. I'm only liable for 50 bucks.
we're able to get gas in that gas station, and now we're back on the road. And Dan's driving as usual. He doesn't want me to drive, but we're not taking. We could have taken road 550, but that's a high road, and only 4x4s are allowed to go use that road.
And the road that we took, which was not an F road, was still not an ideal road to be driving.
It's gravel.
It was gravel through the mountains with no lights, no place to turn off, and only about a foot on the side of the road, and then you go into a gully or off a cliff.
Yeah, but the view here is remarkable.
See, show them like what they allow. That's what they allow. There is no breakdown lane.
Yeah, so you cannot stop on the side of the road here.
And even if, you're on a ledge, it goes down 20, 30 feet. You only got a couple of feet on the side of the road. There's nothing to stop you from going over. Like right here. Like if we go off the road right here, the car flips over 3 or 4 times.
But didn't you get insurance for a gravel or for?
Yeah, I got every insurance.
Yeah, you got all insurance.
Oh, look at it up there. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
We on right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow.
This is a peninsula. Right here.
Yeah, show the speedometer here.
What is it?
I'm doing 90. That's 90 kilometers an hour, not 90 miles per hour. On these roads with the wind, it feels like 90 miles per hour. You're driving a Yaris.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Stopped over here. It's called Crossroads.
Baby, but you never answer. 'Cause I was with the others.
So what? She won.
Another $200, I could have got a 4-wheel drive.
No. And here is our driver. He's
Hi.
so far so good. He's doing a good job. We got here in Reykjavik. No, in Keflavik International Airport at around 7 o'clock, right? 7 a.m.
No, we got in a little earlier actually, but we didn't get to the car rental till about 7:15.
But
And I showed everybody how to fall right on your face and not get hurt, or have a scratch, or rip my jeans.
no,
or
he's
anything.
joking. It's pretty scary drive because we're driving all the way to Akureyri, which is about 500 kilometers.
450, 440.
450 kilometers, and the roads are so icy, and we have this tiny car. It's a Toyota
Let me talk to the
Yaris.
camera. It is so scary driving here, and it's not even that bad, considering it gets a lot worse here.
But
The roads are narrow, there's no breakdown lane, and if you go off the road, you die.
that sums it up. So we're just having our coffee and just resting, and we still have about 200 kilometers to go, and we only have 3 hours of sunlight. All right, we'll catch up with you later. Bye.
Just flat.
How many meters or kilometers?
To the ice cap. 5 kilometers to the ice cap. No, we're not gonna go all the way. We're gonna spend like to get to the ice cap at least 3 or 4 hours.
No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that.
To be honest, my plan, guys, is just to go over the this group.
Yeah.
That one is halfway. I'm gonna plan to go over there, just a lot of crossing that mostly over there. This left side, huge square, beautiful. Really nice. It's gonna heat the glacier, it's gonna melt. And over time it's gonna freeze again, so it's gonna melt and frozen all the time like this, so it's gonna get a lot of water inside. Where there are no bubbles, like the lines, no shear, maybe. You can see the color is a bit different.
Huh.
And also the different lines, like this, the different layers. So the different layers, one above the other one, they mean how old is the glacier. It's like a tree. When you cut a tree in the video, you have the circles, no? It's the same for a glacier. Different layers means how old is the glacier. And this one is still one of the youngest glaciers in the world. It's just 20,000 years old. Older than us, but really young.
20,000.
I think that like the one in Antarctica is like 5 or 6 million years old. This one is just 20,000, really young.
That's how they can get a
Good
reading
to go?
on the carbon date.
Yep.
Like the amount of carbon in the air, you can get that from like the ring
Right.
in the ice.
And that's why they're confused now, because there's a
Okay.
You think I'm wrong, but I'm not fond of this. I just don't care.